GooglAI Review. Hey everyone, Dustin here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you a powerful new AI platform called GooglAI. GooglAI is a single dashboard that connects directly to Google's core AI infrastructure, bringing Gemini, Veo, Lyria, and Imagen together under one login. The standout features include text generation, image creation, video production, voice synthesis, and music composition, all operating within the same workspace. The major advantage over existing tools is consolidation. Rather than maintaining separate subscriptions across multiple platforms, users make a single payment and access the full range of Google's AI models. For creators and marketers managing multiple content types, that shift in how tools are accessed and built represents a meaningful structural change in day-to-day workflow. In this video, I'll give you a full demo of GooglAI, break down the complete funnel and all available upgrades, and show you the exclusive bonuses you'll get if you decide to purchase through my link. So, if you're ready to see what GooglAI can do, let's jump into the demo right away. I hope you understand how GooglAI does its magic. First, there is the GooglAI front end. To check all the upgrades, check the link in the description. The first upsell is GooglAI Unlimited. Removes generation limits from the base account, expanding output capacity and processing speed across all features available within the GooglAI platform. Second upsell is Done For You. Delivers pre-built campaigns, content, and workflows, configured and ready to deploy so users can begin producing results without additional setup time or technical work. Third upsell is Automation. Adds automation functionality to the platform, allowing content generation and task execution to run on a scheduled basis without requiring ongoing manual input from the user. Fourth upsell is a Profit Booster. Provides advanced monetization strategies and supplementary tools designed to increase revenue generated from content and campaigns already being produced through the GooglAI dashboard. Fifth upsell is a Limitless Traffic. Includes a set of traffic generation methods built to drive targeted visitors to offers and content pages on a consistent basis without relying on paid advertising spend. Sixth upsell is the Done For You Money site. A fully constructed website with monetization already integrated, designed to generate income from the point of deployment with no additional build work required from the user. Seventh upsell is an AI income site. an AI-optimized income site configured to generate revenue continuously, delivered as a ready-to-use digital asset requiring no original development work from the buyer. 8th upsell is reseller. Grants full reseller rights to the GooglAI product, allowing buyers to sell it under their own brand and retain the complete revenue from each transaction they complete. Lastly, the 9th upsell is an AI traffic machine, an AI-driven traffic system that pulls targeted visitors toward designated links and offer pages automatically, operating independently of manual outreach or paid advertising campaigns. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. The link is in the description below. GooglAI is currently priced as a one-time payment of $17, and that pricing has a stated expiration date before it shifts to a recurring fee. This replaces ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, and several other tools under one login with no monthly obligation. Creators locking in now are getting the full access tier at the lowest price this product will ever carry. Click the link and secure your account today.